Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today we'll cover the step-by-step guide to forming your LLC for your clothing brand, including the benefits, important steps to get started, and key requirements to protect your business. If you'd rather have someone else handle the complex process for you, skip ahead to the end of this video. I'll be sharing a special offer where you can form your LLC for just $39 through Northwest Registered Agent, saving you time and money. So now, let's jump right into step 1. Step 1. Why your clothing brand needs an LLC. Before you dive into scaling your clothing brand, it is crucial to set up your LLC. Why? An LLC protects your personal asset from business liabilities, ensuring that if something goes wrong, your personal finances are safe. By forming an LLC, you separate your personal and business finances, making it easier to track income, expenses, and qualify for tax advantages. You can form your LLC through Northwest Registered Agent. They make the entire process simple, handling all the paperwork so you can focus on your brand. The link is in the description. And now step number 2, how to set up your LLC for your clothing brand. So setting up an LLC might sound complicated, but it is easier than you think with the right service provider. Here are the main steps you need to follow. Number 1 is that you would need to choose your LLC name. Your business name represents your brand, so make it unique and memorable. Make sure the name is available in your state by checking its business registry. And then number 2, which is to file your articles of organization. These documents officially register your LLC with the state. Don't worry if this sounds overwhelming. Northwest Registered Agent handles this paperwork for you. And then number 3 would be to get an EIN, or Employer Identification Number. Think of this as your business's social security number. It is required to open a business bank account and file taxes. You can file or get your EIN for free through the IRS website, but Northwest Registered Agent can also handle this for you as part of their service. Next, step number 3, set up a business bank account. Once your LLC is formed, the next critical step is opening a business bank account. This will help you keep your personal and business finances separate, which is vital for tracking income, expenses, and protecting your liability. Many banks will require your LLC paperwork and EIN to open a business bank account. So why is this important? Keeping separate accounts ensures that you can properly track your business expenses and qualify for deductions during tax season. Plus, it shows your business as a legitimate entity, which will help you down the road when applying for loans or credit lines. And now the last step, step number 4, operate your clothing brand with confidence. Now that your LLC is formed, you've separated your finances, and your business bank account is open, you're now ready to run your clothing brand with peace of mind. Having an LLC in place not only provides personal liability protection, but also establishes your brand as a legitimate business entity. And that's it, folks. If you're serious about growing your clothing brand and protecting yourself legally, setting up an LLC is a must. So Northwest Registered Agent offers everything you need to get started for only $39. So be sure to click the link in the description and take that next step toward building your fashion empire. That is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.